That's not a setup which I have an experience with, or I have cumulatively developed an expertise in, right? On the fly, when you decide to buy something which is not your setup, what is likely to happen? Either you'll be lucky or you're going to get frustrated, right? But why are people wanting to buy something today? Tell me, why are people wanting to buy something today? FOMO, right? It's FOMO, right? It's FOMO. And when you don't have a setup, right? FOMO is a beginning trader's problem, because if you have trained yourself to think in terms of a setup, I have no FOMO because I am going through this and I don't see my setup, right? So I'm not really worried that the market is going to go up without me, because if the market is going to go up, is your trade factory going to show a lot of trades? So why should you be worried? Okay, this is a consolidation record, but again, the volume is not there, right? Boatload of short-ups will show up if the market is really about to make a move, right? So, but if you don't have that kind of a setup mentality, or if you are not don't have a setup, then what happens is you get this itch to buy anything because everybody is buying something, right? If a setup is there, I'm willing to buy. But where is the setup? Where is a good continuation setup or a consolidation setup here? You show me. Do you see any continuation or consolidation setup which is good here? That's the question which I'm asking the people who are getting FOMO. If you're getting FOMO, get a bottle of cold water, drink it.